Next, I'm gonna show you how to slice a bell pepper. This is my technique. This is the way that I like to do it. It's easiest and cleanest for me to do it this way. But what I usually do is I kind of follow the separation of the bottom of the pepper as a guide, and I cut in curved slices, cutting away from the center of the bell pepper to avoid the core, the seeds, and it makes for much easier cleanup. And this is what you end up with. Core is intact. You don't have to remove any of the seeds on your own, and just toss it in the trash. Then I'm just gonna slice these bell pepper pieces, and I use the same technique of keeping my knuckles as a spacer, a safety, kind of a safety net between the knife and my actual fingers. Voila.